opinion?
How old are you?
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
Welcome people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. Now as you can see by the title down below, in today's video I'll be doing a reacting to old photos. Now I'll be doing a reaction of my old photos. I'll be doing a video of getting my reaction of my old photos. So today's post notification goes out to Carl Johnson. Remember, if you want to get a post notification shout out, you have to be subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and you have to be the first person to comment on the video. Like when I was much younger. Alright? So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget, people, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that red button down below and join the family. Alright, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright people, so here's what. I went ahead and I chose I went ahead and I go on my old Facebook account that I had from when I was much younger, from about 13, 14, 15, then time then, and I took some pictures from there that I'm going to react to today. Right? But before I go into all the reaction and those stuff, I was going to say something a while ago. I don't remember what I was going to say, but as soon as I remember, I'll let you know. So today is Sunday and it's 2:34. As you all know, curfew hour is right about, well, curfew hour start 34 minutes ago, and I went to church earlier this morning. I got some blessing in my soul this morning. People not telling no lie. Church was good. So let's jump into it. Alright. So me have this picture right now. I'm here look for you people. And I'm gonna put the photos on the screen so you can see them yourself. Cause I'm currently using my computer right now. I'm gonna tell the people. That picture here. Just stop look. So people, me actually look cute. Me think me at the 13, 14 time, right? Yo, me love makeup back then. I still love makeup now. And wear makeup all the time. So my auntie used to say to me, say, Nishoy, you and that black something over your eye. I that black something on your eye. What are they one time is stuck to your eye bottom or something like that. My auntie always say that to me. So I always wear eyeliner when me young. Like, I think me at the 12, 13, either 13, 14, and I think when they get, I got some crochet braid. My total reaction of the video, I think I was cute back then. Me having my gold earring, me having my gold chain, yeah, but it look good then, timely. Moving on. No. This was my first ever sewing picture, guys. This was my first ever sewing. I thought my mom did this hairstyle. I entered the Miss Rosal pageant. Did it at the time? Did the Rosal time? No. So this was when I entered Miss Rosal. Yes, me at the 14 years old. Yes, me 14 years old. Remember now. I was 14 years old, and then my time my people used to trim off my eyebrow and write on your back with pencil. And I was no. This was my first ever sewing picture, guys. This was my first ever sewing. I thought my mom did this hairstyle. I entered the Miss Rosal pageant. No. So this was when I entered Miss Rosal. Yes, me at the 14 years old. Yes, me 14 years old. Remember now. I was 14 years old, and then my time my people used to trim off my eyebrow and write on your back with pencil. And I was in school, just so you know. Which was not,
Oh my God!
supposed to do. Which I was not supposed to do. And why? Looking back now, I look for me now. Me not think nothing wrong with it. I just not think nothing wrong with it. Swear to God, I don't think nothing wrong with my picture. But going forward, I have some more pictures that I need to react to. Alright people, so I'm gonna get Zoe with some more like feedback and so forth. You know? Yeah. Cause me just think that me always did cute, but still. Anyway, let's go. Zoe, what you think about the picture? That's my opinion.
How old were you?
Very
You look
old.
80s, 60s style.
Why people? The picture I with me have what do you call it? When I graduation, I have like this banquet thingy after your exam and stuff. That picture I had the time. Actually, me they just catch up me hair and I want to look something and yes, I want to look
real
back
hair?
in my front. Yeah. No, this one real hair. Them their hair extension. That's a girl me put in here from way back when what kill fish.
How old were you?
15.
You look very old.
So it's a look old.
You look very old fashioned.
People comment down below and tell me what you think about the picture. Why I meant to like this a church me there go here, so me not tell know like if looking back, me never really put on this, but my mother used to dress me then timeless, you know I go. And my mother never think say when me I go to school me feel wear like sexy tight up dress or sexy.
No mother thinks about
not
that.
like that. My mother put me in this red frock.
Red old frock.
Red frock. Just so you know, I'm here catch up with that one put. But that's not really here catch up part. They probably could have wear one nice one another dress, you know.
And
Mommy,
heels.
Mommy, if you see every day, don't say nothing, yeah. Just go and watch. Alright, move along.
Oh, you look cute.
That you do?
Yeah.
So this was actually this was the hairstyle I had in the previous video. What I did was to twist it up because my auntie didn't like the whole look. I mean, so she said me look like a too much woman. So she said me to plait up it and catch up the back way. Yeah, so that was this before. But actually, what you actually think about the picture? You think I look cute?
Yes. I like the hair behind your ears. You just look
Maybe always.
like a pony.
We just love dress up. So I guess overall, this is what you're going to see in all of my picture name. I'm gonna try to find the
Old
more,
one.
the old picture name, and I think I have none of that. But still, going forward, this is like geek me. And then me kind of.
I don't like that style of you. You look
weird. That you, my head look bad, and fire just look big, and then me trim off my eyebrow.
You wear glasses?
No, a fashion glass. Well, actually, me this supposed to wear glasses. My eye them not good. So me wear glasses when me in a grade 5 or 6. No people. The picture. Hey, me tell you this. Me are the fan of taking close-up photo right here. So.
And she a big forehead.
And show me forehead and me big old smile and all of my friends used to make fun of me because I always said to me, say, Nishoy, why make I take pictures so? Why you have your photo up in the phone up in your face? What happened to you? You can't take better picture. Then the twin hours that to me. So this is one of them photo thing.
Your forehead big.
I hope my members say other photo and they react to right there. So. Alright. I don't need no ever see none of them picture. I swear. We're gonna do a reaction video. Yeah? Alright. So what do you think?
You look like you're up to no good. You're
Why?
like I did something wrong.
No man, that no sense. This a picture I just look like a mad man. You know, mad man, but we do a phone. The people, me just that time they me did think, you know, me here the little one cream and me did want to look, me did want to look cute, you know. So me just take one band after one of me dress them and tie around here front. The picture and there say one. The picture is 0. I'm not telling no lie. The picture just have me away. Alright. Moving on to the era when we start do makeup and things. Everything they look good. Hold on people, give me a sec.
I bet you didn't.
No people.
You look proper.
me look proper as well. No, you remember the big old red frock from the graduation something? This time, I carry go a tailor and I cut off the bottom of it. And I put on one bow in the middle and one black strip around the neck and a little piece around the shoulder, you know? To make things look more elegant and not so granny-ish. No?
And your mom let you do that?
Yeah, she made me do it this time. Alright, I think I was 17 here.
And you were
17.
14 in the last picture with the
Yeah.
same dress.
Me have a photo. Hold on, so move on. Me did in a 10th grade.
It's that girl.
Agree now. I may even do a story time. Anywho, this is it. So this picture, when me start the makeup, I feel like say everything look good. Let's zoom in on this photo. So let's zoom in.
I don't want to see it. Wow.
So, people, me used to trim off my eyebrow. Me like my eyebrow they used to this thin.
Is your eyeshadow all the way up here?
All the way up on my eyebrow, yeah. So right as the top. Yeah.
Like the
Me never ugly, me never that ugly, but it is ugly, you know.
Ugly.
And my smile is always the same, so. Me tell you, maturity, you see maturity things. And you see maturity when you start work, you have to communicate, take care of yourself. That is key. Yes. Everything is start change from this.
Listen to the old woman.
Right, so we find this other picture where we have on this blue and one pretty skirt. This blue top and a pretty skirt. And me hair the braid. So people, in the photo here, I actually braided my hair. So you see for a long time I braid hair. But me I pit me a braid hair. I mean never pit me so I think me I did 17 years so. But anyway,
You like you're at a barn.
this I done along Bay Beach. So then time here.
You look cute.
Yeah. Me just put on a little, you know, clothes and a tan good and a look good and a, you know, I never had Gyal look good, but it did look good, you know.
So you never looked good before?
Alright people, so this photo, I don't remember who there. I think I did my first date. My first ever date with
With
Nino.
who? Oh.
Yes, we're coming from very far away. But this a picture I found a long time.
How old are you?
17. Long time.
Oh, you guys are cute.
All girl, all grey back girl. And look for me. Look for me, people, talk truth. Me not ask Christ, look for me. Never look old. Me still have the blouse up until now, but me know where go. Me wear in the yard. You don't know where the under blouse there.
What?
And me cut the tights and me wear in the yard.
Nishoy, what happened yesterday? Why is it so deep?
Where?
Not what I mean. Why it's right here this deep?
Come me did skinny like me did maga.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
See me have a muscle up fine back. Hold up, go back. Then that girl. Don't mess with me. Talk to Zoe for me look at something.
You look like you've already had 5 children.
Let me have 5 pictures, sir. Let me have 5 pictures, sir. No, sir. So people, me used to work on the nursery, and this was me then. When I remember my age, I think me I was 17, I got 18, and then let's move along.
It's
Now,
a clip.
was my best friend, and people talk truth, me not ask Christ, me look like a liar, so.
No.
So, people me give me the rundown of my outfit. So I had on this jacket, this pink jacket underneath, and then I have on this vest that I put over the jacket, and I have on this skirt that I got made at a tailor. And you can't tell me, nobody could good.
You look good in that
Both
picture.
sassy. Me look good. People, Zoe look good, half of me look good, actually different look good. No me look good. Then time yeah,
No, not that much.
it never did cut it. But anyways, me used to say about my look money, I'm go buy my little jeans pants and my little blouse. So I could look good for go on the people in the school compound. So this look presentable. Because I change the hairstyle, Me used to have one hairstyle when me I go to high school. One hairstyle when me I go to high school. Me just catch it back so and use one pony clip. And I write this I did whole entire year. Talk truth. Look on the picture them in the video and you will see.
People used to bully you?
With one hairstyle. People, no, they used to tell me some head picky though. And as I grow older, I could start put on eyelash. I think this was my 18th birthday.
Aww.
And I did my hair. And I look good, yes, so. Yes. Good girl dressing this. Go eyelash. Go face. Not too sorry. Watch pretty girl. According to Spice. But anyway, this picture, there's a picture there going with things. I like the picture, yeah. Yeah.
I think you're too excited.
Picture, yeah, nice. Alright, people, so that's the end of the video. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section. Turn on your notification bell, cause that's the golden rule. Now, bye.